somewhere in the outskirts of Desert City, Gorbox County. Get up. It's time for work. Can't believe I have to work for the steakhouse. I don't want to go. I don't want to leave. Well, I mean, it's only like a 5-centimeter walk, so it's fine. Welcome to your new job as a steakhouse employee. Make sure that everyone pays and we get our money, or you will die. Who's that? It's me. Who are you and where are you? I'm right here. Oh, did you just teleport? Yes. We, Everythingnadians, have the power of teleportation, while you puny human, must work for us. I don't want to do that. Well, you have to, or else you will die. That's the price you have to pay for your work. Damn it. Well, what else am I supposed to do then? Make sure everyone pays money, and if they don't, shoot them with this 1911. How'd you put this in my inventory? Easy. It just appeared there. Okay then. Alright, I'll see you later. Okay, boss. Make sure they pay. I will.
Hello.
Hello, sir. What would you like? Yeah. I'll take a T-bone steak with a cheese sandwich, please. Okay. Just...
Hey, what's going on?
I'm sorry, sir. We don't have steaks in the inventory, but I can give you some cooked chicken. Okay, fine. And here's your cheese sandwich you asked for. Enjoy. Thank you. And what's my total? Your total will be $7.64. Oh, I'm not paying. Yes, you are. You will die. Okay, I'll pay. Alright, good. Now pay up and eat.
Hello.
Before I will shoot you. Get out of here before things get worse. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Desert City Police Department, the Gorbox government, and the Gorbox Civil Defense and Military Command. At approximately 2:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a nuclear warhead was detected approximately 7.5 miles away from Desert City and will arrive in approximately 10 minutes. All residents living in Desert City must seek shelter on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Board up all windows and doors. Cover all cracks to the outside with tape or damp towels. Cover all fireplace dampers. And keep you as far from the outside world as possible. Keep as many walls between you and the outside world as possible. You have 10 minutes to go to the nearest fallout shelter. If you cannot go to your nearest fallout shelter, civil authorities will lead you to one. And I repeat, do not go to schools or any other public place for family members. These places generally have a plan for these kinds of things. Also, when you're evacuating, bring the essentials such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a hand crank or battery-powered radio with extra batteries, and of course, important documents such as your ID and driver's license. Also, a new virus has been discovered. It is called Uncoha. It is a very dangerous virus. We have no current information on it or how it spreads. But please be vigilant of the nuclear warhead and the virus. The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcasting cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification. This alert will repeat in approximately 1 minute.
Hey!
What? We gotta go. The nuclear warhead's coming in approximately 9.5 minutes. We gotta go. Yeah, we're gonna get the heck out of here. Also, Kitty Man will be coming for the final time, picking up everything and everyone that has not already evacuated these past EAS scenarios. If you refuse in the next however many EAS scenarios I create, you will be banished from Everything Land. Just remember that the next time you refuse. Okay. I cannot refuse. I am part of Everything Land. You can't refuse. If you do, you will be banished, and you will therefore die. You have approximately 5 minutes to evacuate. Go. Okay, we gotta get the hell out of here. There's no way. Okay, you go on your own, buddy. I'll see you in heaven. Okay, I gotta go. Luckily, there's this helicopter here I can take to get to the shelter. I'm lucky this is here. Let's head over to the military base. There they have some of the best shelter. Okay, get in here. Okay. Just go ahead and put some of these props. Board up all windows and doors. That's the alert repeating. Okay, put some of these things to block the door. Take this chair. Yes, this is one of the only good sources of protection I have from Okay. Just take all this stuff. I don't have a lot of time anyways. It's too late to evacuate now. I've already gotten into a spot, a place of safety. In the house because blast will occur in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kaboom! Boom, 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 boom. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Boom, boom, boom. Kaboom! Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Boom, boom. Pew, pew. Boom, boom. Kaboom! Pew, pew, pew. Pew. All the times I've said that all living beings and entities that could think of any number, multiplied, added, copied, combined, and versionized an infinite number of that many times. An infinite number of times or that many times. Explosions and pew-pews lethal. Pew, pew. Boom, boom. Kaboom! Is that it? Is that it? Can I leave? You may now leave. Place of safety. Okay, we can leave our place of safety now. Alright, just take these old things. Move them so I can get out of here. Open the door. And my helicopter's okay? Yep, she's okay. Still have my gun. Finally, we're out of the desert, but now Grandma's house. This house served me well. Let's go upstairs and see what's happening. Anything going on in here? Nope. Similar stuff. My grandma was gonna get more photo food before she died. And I'm the next person that's able to own a house, so they gave it to me and I just left it here since. But yeah, let's see what's on TV. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorebox government and Gorebox Emergency Management Agency. An emergency action termination has been issued. I repeat, an emergency action termination has been issued. An emergency action termination means that the previous emergency action notification has been terminated, and it is now an all-clear sign. You may now leave your shelters. The aliens, the infectees within Koha, and the nukes and the gunfights have all stopped, and it is now safe to leave. The wreckage left behind. There was hundreds of quadrillions of quintillions of dollars in damages. That's unrepairable. Also, if you are already out of your shelters, be careful of debris in the roads. Well, what's left of the roads. There were hundreds of tornadoes higher than EF5 that ripped through the land, and there's barely anything left. The grass turned into dirt. The roads absolutely destroyed, and homes and skyscrapers lifted off the ground and then destroyed mid-air. You'll see pieces of debris everywhere. And 500 other asteroids had hit. And a supermassive Gorbox volcano had erupted, causing major winters and radioactive winters as well because of the nukes. And all of that just for everything to go back to normal. Well, somewhat. Corneline gas was released as well as other poisonous gases. And as such, everyone is now safe to leave their shelters, or what's left of the people. Specifically you, Dragon Author KYT. You are one of the few 1 million people that managed to survive this blast of just pure disaster. I just wanted to congratulate you on your accomplishment, but there's still more to come that you have to survive. You could not let us down. This concludes the emergency action termination. Thank you for your time. That was a message from the Gorbox president. Bop, bop, bop. Wow, can't believe it. That was uncertain. And what was even more uncertain was that, Grandma's house is still okay. Okay. It could be repaired. It could use some hefty repairs, but whatever. I'm heading back to Finland. You may now head to Everything Land. Or do you want to have all other versions of yourself go to Everything Land? And you have to suffer EAS scenarios? Yes. Okay. Yes. Home at last. Time to head back to the house. Time to go inside my house. Oh boy. It is time to enjoy my break. Not again. The following message is transmitted at the request of of the Gore Box Emergency Management Agency and the Gore Boxian government. A nuclear power plant warning has been issued for the the southernmost, westernmost, and easternmost portions of Gorebox land. 3 nuclear power plants. A Gorebox City nuclear power plant. The Gorebox Town, Goreboxville nuclear power plant. And the Bonebreaker City nuclear power plant have all undergone a level 5 meltdown, meaning they are unfixable, unrepairable, and we are unable to contain the situation. All residents in the areas listed must evacuate or shelter in place, whichever. If you evacuate, be sure to place a white towel over a visible portion of your home to let civil authorities know you've evacuated. If you have a child or a family member that's at a school or a place like church, do not go to pick them up. I repeat, do not go to pick them up. These places normally have an evacuation plan. When you evacuate or shelter in place, bring the essentials, such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a hand crank or battery-powered radio with extra batteries, as well as important documents. Also bring pets. If need be, you might as well just listen to Kitty Man and go to Everything Land with everyone else and everything else as well. This concludes this nuclear power plant warning. The message will repeat in approximately 15 minutes. Oh, and also, you have 72 hours until the plants explode.
Leave me alone.
This concludes this message. Bop! Bop! Bop!
Listen!
Oh, damn it, not again. Oh well, I know what to do. I can't board up my windows, but I can for sure board up my doors. With beds. My house. Oh, what was that explosion? Was that only part of it? Did nothing get destroyed? Oh. the biggest bomb I've ever created. Everything is literally burning around me. Like, it literally almost broke my phone. I think I'm dead. I don't... There's just random fires. There's random fires burning around me. Everything in the...
How are you?